Hey, in this video I wanted to discuss 4 of the best foods that can help you with erectile dysfunction. There is no miracle food to prevent erectile dysfunction, however there is some evidence that certain foods may help. During this video I will also be sharing one of the best ways thousands of men have overcome their erectile dysfunction forever. The first tip is eating leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables like celery and spinach may increase circulation because of their high concentration of nitrates. Beet juice has been found to be really high in nitrates. Nitrates are vasodilators, which means they open up blood vessels and increase blood flow. Many years before the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved the first ED drug in 1998, several case reports on the beneficial effects of nitrates for erectile dysfunction had already been published. The ED drugs used today are based on the relaxing effects of nitrates on the blood vessels that supply the penis. Tip number 2 is eating watermelon. Some studies show that watermelon may have an effect on erectile dysfunction that are similar to the ED drug Viagra, and may also increase sexual desire. Watermelon is rich in beneficial ingredients known as phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are also known as oxidants. One of the best benefits is that they relax the blood vessels that supply an erection. Although watermelon is 92% water, the other 8% may work wonders for your heart and sexual enjoyment. I think it's important to note that there is no miracle food to prevent erectile dysfunction. However, there is some evidence that certain foods may help. If you're looking for a surefire way to get rid of your ED, I recommend checking out the Survive in Bed system. It has helped thousands of men overcome their erectile dysfunction and reverse their problem forever. It didn't involve exercises, it didn't involve weird routines, and it didn't involve eating weird herbs or anything like that. It's a form of Super Viagra, except it was all natural and the results were practically instant and automatic. And best of all, permanent. It has helped over 17,000 men get rid of their condition completely and permanently within days of using it, and their significant others are as thankful as they are. It has helped thousands of men cure their ED problem, and I highly recommend it to anyone who suffers from erectile dysfunction. I put a link in the description. I invite you to check it out and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you. I highly recommend it because it has successfully helped thousands of men by curing their erectile dysfunction forever. Also, I encourage anyone else that found anything else that worked for them to feel free to let others know in the comment section of this video below. Tip number 3 is the use of lycopene. Lycopene is one of those phytonutrients that is good for circulation and is good for sexual issues. Lycopene is found in deep red fruits like tomatoes and pink grapefruits. Some studies show that lycopene may be absorbed best when mixed with oily foods like avocados or olive oil. So you might want to make yourself an ED fighting salad. Research has also shown that oxidants like lycopene help fight male infertility and prostate cancer. The fourth and last tip is pistachios. A recent study found that men with erectile dysfunction who ate pistachio nuts every day for 3 weeks experienced significant improvement in sexual issues including ED, sexual desire, and overall sexual satisfaction. The benefits of pistachios for erection problems may be due to a protein called arginine, which may help relax blood vessels. Dr. Dane says, "This is another example of how good circulation is important for sexual health, which is good news because I eat a lot of pistachios." To get rid of your erectile dysfunction, your best bet is to eat a healthy diet that is good for your heart and your circulation. Other foods that are good for your circulation include cranberries, apples, peanuts, onions, tea, and red wine. Chances are, if you take good care of your vascular health, you will avoid many of the common causes of erectile dysfunction. There is no miracle food to prevent erectile dysfunction, however, there is some evidence that certain foods may help. Thanks for checking out my video, and I hope I have helped you.